In this lesson, we'll cover how to find different extensions from the Joomla.org website, how the extensions directory is actually organized, what thoughts you should keep in mind when you're reviewing different extensions, and then lastly, I'll take you to the different events and user group pages through Joomla.org. When you're ready to extend your Joomla website, I suggest you visit joomla.org or joomla.org. This website basically puts together all of the different extensions that are available to you for Joomla. Now, you may find extensions that are outside of this directory, but this directory is a great place to go to find out good reviews and basic information about your different extensions. To go to the extensions directory, go to Extend, and then click on Extension Directory. Another name for this extensions directory is the JED, J-E-D, for Joomla Extensions Directory. The way this page is organized is you have random new extensions on the top. Scrolling down, they put more extensions that you may be interested in looking at. And then they'll give you some recently updated ones and then some more random extensions. When you're searching for an extension, another place to look is on the left-hand side, which basically gives you the listing of all of the different categories that the extensions are grouped in. Let's say you're looking for a photo gallery tool. So if I go through categories and scroll down and I go to photos and images, and if I click on it, it's basically broken down into even more categories. Plus it'll show me some popular options as well. Let's say I'm looking for a photo gallery. So I would click on the photo gallery item under categories. And now I can see here many different galleries that I can look at. Let's go over the directory definitions. First of all, on the right-hand side where you see 1.5 native, Joomla 1.6, and Joomla 1.7, it will also say Joomla 2.5 and any other future releases. This basically tells you what release or releases this component, module, or plugin will work for. In the 2.5 environment, chances are if it works in 1.6 and 1.7, it will probably work in the 2.5 environment as well, although you do need to test it thoroughly. You will have the number of votes and the current rating, which are the stars, the number of reviews which are available to you. Then you can see here on the right, a C means it's a component, which is a large program similar to the different components that we've worked with in the core, such as the contact manager. A module means the mini program part of it. It means you can put a part of this gallery in a module position on your page. If you look down here for Sig Plus, it's also a plugin. A plugin means that you can actually put the gallery into a content article with just a little bit of coding. The next part of this screen is you have a basic definition of the page. You then have the website of the page. And then you also have the type, if it's commercial, such as art gallery, or if it's non-commercial, such as Sig Plus. Commercial basically means is that there are going to be some fees in order to use the product. Perhaps you need to purchase the product straight out, or perhaps you have to pay for the support. So although the product may be free, you need to pay for support if you need assistance with the product. Non-commercial typically means that there are no fees at all for the product. To get more information of these different options, if you click on the title of it, I'll click on Sig Plus, I have more information about this product. I can see what the ratings are, how many users rated it, the license, the fact that it's non-commercial, how many people have viewed it, and then I can have a complete description of it. When you're deciding what tool to use, I highly recommend that you read the description thoroughly and then read through the reviews. You may have everyone loving it and one person hating it. So you want to go through, read it carefully, and decide which requirements you have and what will make it work correctly for you. Your next option is you can either click on Download or Demo. Demo typically takes you to the website of the company that created the product. Download may also take you to the website to their download page, or it may download it directly on the spot. Another place you can look for extensions, another category, is called extension specific. Let's click on that now. Extension specific basically gives you extensions for other extensions that you might be working with. So for example, maybe you're using the JCE editor and you want to get additional extensions for that editor. I can click on JCE extensions, and now I will see different extensions that people created to work with the JCE editor. Some of them may be from the same company of JCE, or some of them may be from different organizations. For me, one of the strengths of using Joomla is because I can extend it with so many different options, and there are so many different great programmers out there creating different extensions for you all the time. Although these extensions are really powerful, you have to keep in mind that one month, one extension may be working great, and another month, another extension may be working even better. In order to keep current, I recommend that you attend either a Joomla user group or attend any of the Joomla events that they have. To find out about those, if you go to Community and Support, and then click on Joomla User Groups. By attending a user group meeting, you'll get the chance to network with other developers, both newbies and advanced users. You will find resources, and you'll also be able to keep up to date with Joomla and Joomla.org. Lastly, you can click on Events. The different user groups tend to throw Joomla Days, which are events where you pay for a 1-day fee or 2 days. And at the events, there will be multiple workshops for you to find out more about Joomla. This is another way for you to stay on top of things and the changes that keep coming up all of the time. In this lesson, we reviewed how to go through the Joomla.org extensions website, how to find the right extension for you, different things to think about when you're downloading the extensions, and then a brief look at the Joomla user groups and the Joomla days that Joomla.org helps to support.